The thoracolumbar fascia can be one of the major sources of pain in the low back pain. So you remember yesterday that we showed you the approach for the tissues all around the sacroiliac area and the lower lumbar area. Okay, you can also work this on all the lumbar area. If you want to work specifically on the lumbar area, you can start from the lower thoracic area going down to the pelvis, or moving from the pelvis up to the lower thoracic area. So approaching also your patient at the beginning with some soft tissue action can be very useful for allow you a better application, better performance of the technique. Okay. You can be general, so as you said yesterday, with a general approach with the palm of your hands, or you can also go like more specific action with your thumbs or also with the fingers.